Yeah, just listening to some Aimme Mann here while I'm taking Mr. Seizey apart here. You know you're not off to a good start when you take the 4 bolts for that cover out and discover a blob of rust there. Yeah, cut the crankshaft off like I said. Got it nice and short. So I gotta dig this out because there's a bolt in there that holds the crankcase cover on these self-propelled ones there. Wow, that's a lot of rust. Somehow I gotta push this shaft over here so I can get the gear to slide, so I can get at the bolt there. So it's going to be a fun one. Might require some penetrating oil. And Aimme Mann's got some good songs for Charmer and Mental Illness album. Lots of fun. Good thing I got some good music to listen to. Yeah, now I remembered how these work. You got this piece of sheet metal here you slide on this side. That's what locks the shaft in. Yeah, there it is. Then might have to take this off. I believe the shaft should slide that way. So I'll figure this out somehow. It's been a few years since I had one of these apart. Yeah, that's right. So I took this off of here and then tapped the shaft sideways after I removed this lock that was on that end there. Tapped it. Then you can see the other bolt deep inside of there. 7/16 head. Yeah, we'll get her. Yeah, still having some fun here. So, I'm going to point out how much dirt you get off one of these motors here. I use paper towel and things to clean and wipe, and pretty well filled my little garbage container there. But so I got it, 1/4 to 3/8 inch in. Yeah, see the gap there. And that's after pounding my brains out and putting big chisels in here and different things. Even heated it up once. So apparently I got my work cut out for me there. Yeah, I'd like to take this thing and hold it hostage and throw it over the scrap pile, I think. Getting a little frustrating here. All I can think is to take it outside and heat the heck out of it and beat it to death. Otherwise I don't think it's coming off. I put penetrating oil in it every way I can get it. And I think the shaft is bent inside the bushing there, so it just does not want to come out. Anyway, that's enough for this part of the video.